essential element of a formal explanation. Improving academic vocabulary skills is an important aspect of language study at university level. Academic vocabulary is widely used in scientific texts and various academic disciplines. It can be seen everywhere, in textbooks, journals, lectures, handouts, exam papers, essays, assignments, etc. When reading and writing academic vocabulary, we encounter a great number of obstacles because, compared with everyday lexis, the former is characterised by a large degree of density and abstraction. Compared with the daily vocabulary, academic vocabulary is harder to understand and use. Here are some features or challenges of academic vocabulary. Density. Long noun phrases are used to increase informational load and thus processing difficulty. Abstraction. Instead of referring to specific people, places and things, many academic words do not have a perceivable correlation, making it difficult for us to grasp. Causality. Causality is realised not just because conjunctions, because and so, but also by prepositions, nouns and verbs. This makes cause-effect difficult to discern. In history, causality and time are sometimes conflated, making it difficult to sort out the order of event sequence. All students need to learn their technical vocabulary of their field. As learners of English preparing for academic study, one also needs to learn general academic vocabulary. Therefore, many academic word lists, AWL, are compiled by researchers to help learners acquire core academic vocabulary in different subject areas and improve their comprehension of academic texts. Here are two prestigious and popular AWLs created by Averil Coxhead and Jim Burke. You can try learning some words from the list every day, but it is better to study the words in context so that you understand how they are used. Of course, it will take a long time to accumulate all academic vocabulary. It may also be difficult for us to pick appropriate words in our explanation. Now I'd like to offer you an efficient way to make the original material more academic. That's nominalization. Nominalization is a type of word formation in which a verb or an adjective or other part of speech is used as or transformed into a noun. Nominalization is a useful skill in academic English because it conveys an objective and personal tone. It can also make the text more concise by packing a great deal of words into few words. To generalise a nominalisation, we can firstly focus on the key words in a sentence, and if it is not a noun, try to change it into a noun form and then place it at the beginning of the sentence. At the same time, we can alter the other parts of the sentence to adapt to this change. A recap of this mini-lecture. We have identified characteristics of academic vocabulary. We have learned to accumulate general academic vocabulary on a daily basis. We have understood the meaning of nominalisation, and we have learned the power of nominalisation in academic texts.